You're not broken. Just your pattern is broken. So this is where you can go, oh, wait a minute. I know what happens. If I open a bottle, I might end up sipping mindlessly through the bottle throughout the whole evening and just have a glass there while I'm cooking, a glass while I'm eating, maybe top it off while I'm cleaning the kitchen. And then, oh my gosh, before I know it, I'm three-fourths of the bottle down. I live in Texas. We have really big pours here. I'm three-fourths of the bottle through, and I was just gonna have one. My goodness, maybe you weren't even gonna drink tonight. And then that's when I'd be like, "Oh, wow, I've already blown it. I might as well just finish it off and have the last one in the bathtub." I call it the bottle breakdown. In fact, if you sign up for my 21-day reset challenge, you're gonna know this because I send you runway videos that help you prepare, and I have a whole video on the bottle breakdown. And that's when it's, "I think I'm just gonna have one." No, play the movie forward. Chances are it won't be just one. You can also play the movie forward if you don't have just one. How are you going to sleep tonight? Are you going to wake up at 3 a.m. with a dry mouth and a feeling of dread and a racing heart? Probably not. You may wake up at 3 a.m. anyway, but it won't be because of alcohol. And you can feel great the next day and not have that shame or regret or just defeat. Play the movie forward is a key. And then definitely just delaying the decision. Oh my gosh, there's so much power in the pause. Pause, pause, to stop and go, okay, wait a minute. Alcohol is not going anywhere. I don't have to just knee jerk reaction. I don't have to just drink on autopilot or because of social pressure. Yeah, y'all, even peer pressure. I'm in my 50s. Sometimes it can feel like there's peer pressure in your mind because you see everyone around you drinking, but you're wanting something different. Guess what? You do you, and just delay the decision until you are back in your logical mind. You're using the three Ps. Again, pre-deciding, planning ahead, playing the movie forward. These are the three Ps that are so important. And the 21-day reset really does help you step out of the cycle long enough to begin to really retrain your brain and begin that process of creating a new neuro pathway. Pretty awesome. So I hope this workshop has been empowering to you. I want you to know that, again, you do you. It's a journey. But I will say it is easier for me, I have found over time, to drink none than to drink one. But if you're going to drink one, at least go in knowing what is happening. If your desire for a second and third hits you out of nowhere, don't be blindsided. It's actually the nature of the substance itself and the nature of a habit loop and an addictive substance. So for those of you here watching my workshop, I want to give you some questions to answer in the comments below. Okay. What usually happens for you after your first drink? Describe it. Write it out. Write out what happens when you're like, yeah, I thought I was just going to have one as well, like on a Thursday night. Or maybe you were going out with friends and thought, oh, it's just dinner. I'm just going to have one. What usually happens? And when do you feel the shift? When do you notice that you start to go from having one to chasing? That's what I call it. I call it chasing. I was a chaser. I was like, that feels so good. That feels so relaxing or relieving. It was like relief that I thought, where can I get more of that? And then would love to hear y'all share. And listen, if you feel like stopping is something you can do, that is awesome. But if you feel like stopping at one feels impossible, then listen, I would really love to work with you. I would love to show you how you can really begin to retrain your brain, bring awareness in, feel like you've got some tools in your toolbox so that you're not just out there hoping for the best, but ending up doing the worst, not what you planned, not what you wanted. So thanks again for watching. Again, you're not alone. The struggle is real, and millions of women all over the world are in your same boat. And I've had the chance to work with many of you and invite many of you more into our sisterhood where you can wrestle with this out loud and ask yourself, why did I have more when I said I was just going to have one? Let's break it down. Let's learn the science behind it and get the support you need to make different choices that make you feel your best, that make you feel empowered. I can't wait to see your comments below this video, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.